Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. So today, I'm just sharing with you what I made for breakfast this morning. We had egg cups with turkey bacon, all of the veggies and a hint of Parmesan cheese. But more importantly, they were served with my 2-ingredient biscuits. They were so soft. Oh my word. God bless you and continue watching. I must say thank you to all of my subscribers right here. To you who are always coming back. You know who you are. You are my MVP. And to my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you. To my viewers, I see you. You're out there. You're watching. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and be sure to hit the notification bell. Thumbs it up if you have enjoyed it. Share it out. Leave a comment. God bless you and I'll see you in the next one.